We contacted Facebook and YouTube, both declined to be interviewed. We also approached Twitter, who invited us to their offices in London. We asked if there was more that social media platforms could do about trolls.
Well, if someone feels in danger for their safety in the real world, then it's obviously right they go to the police. Now, one of the things that might happen is someone might say something sarcastically. So the words on the screen and whether you feel in danger or not might be different. So we're going to take action and close accounts down, even where you might not feel in danger. And we have a team who work with the police on a daily basis, dealing with requests from law enforcement agencies around the world for a whole range of offences. It's never something we think will be done. It's never something we're going to stop working on. And it's one of the main priorities for our business to make sure that people do feel confident that when they use Twitter, the clear rules are there, and if the rules are broken, the people who break them will be taken action against.
We also asked if Twitter was concerned about people taking risks to get noticed on social media.
If someone's doing something and they're tweeting about it or they're sharing it on a video sharing platform, then you can actually say to them, this is pretty dangerous. Are you sure you should be doing this? And so you actually get this effect of people who aren't doing it, not just being bystanders, but challenging people and saying, look, this is risking your safety. Are you sure you really want to do this for a few of your friends seeing some video online?